Money is more than numbers. It's a mindset and a tool. This video dives into finance and smart ways to grow wealth. Why do some people attract money while others stay stuck? By the end, you'll know how to master your habits to build lasting wealth. Many people think financial success is about working harder, but it's often about working smarter. You must learn the game before you play it, and that starts with understanding the rules of money. Most people follow the traditional path: study, graduate, get a job, save a little, and hope for retirement. But that path rarely leads to financial freedom anymore. To succeed today, you need to unlearn outdated beliefs. Financial literacy isn't taught in schools, but it's the most important education you'll ever receive. Money is emotional. Our behaviors around spending, saving, and investing are often driven by fear, guilt, or pride. The first step is awareness. Ask yourself, what do you believe about money? That it's scarce? That you're not good with it? These beliefs silently sabotage your growth. If you think money is evil or that rich people are greedy, you're unconsciously pushing wealth away. Shift your mindset to see money as a force for good. There's a reason the rich get richer. They don't work more hours, they make money work for them. That's the essence of wealth building. Passive income is the goal. Whether through dividends, rental income, or business systems, it's how financial independence is created. Start by tracking your income and expenses. You can't improve what you don't measure. Clarity is power when it comes to your money. People often overestimate what they can do in a year and underestimate what they can achieve in 10. Play the long game with your finances. There's no secret formula, but there are proven principles. Live below your means. Invest early. Stay consistent. Compound interest will do the rest. Many people fall into lifestyle inflation. As they earn more, they spend more. Avoid this trap if you want long-term wealth. Focus on assets, not liabilities. A car that depreciates is not an investment. A rental property that pays you monthly is. Most people are consumers. Wealthy people are creators. They build things, businesses, content, value that generate income. Ask yourself daily, am I building something that will pay me later, or am I just consuming what others built? Financial freedom is when your passive income exceeds your monthly expenses. That's the goal. Not retirement at 65. Money won't solve all your problems, but it will solve all your money problems. And that frees your energy for bigger things. You don't have to be born into wealth. Many millionaires are self-made. They simply followed habits that supported financial growth. Saving is important, but you can't save your way to wealth alone. You have to learn to invest. Inflation erodes the value of cash. While saving is safe, investing grows your money. The key is managing risk, not avoiding it. Every dollar should have a job. Idle money loses value over time. Put your money to work, just like you work for your money. Don't fear investing. Start small. Use low-cost index funds or robo-advisors to begin your journey with minimal risk. The earlier you start, the greater your advantage. Compound interest works best over decades, not months. You don't need to be a math genius to succeed with money. You need discipline, patience, and a clear plan. Build an emergency fund before you invest aggressively. Safety nets keep you in the game when unexpected costs hit. Having 3 to 6 months of expenses saved gives you peace of mind and protects your long-term strategies. Avoid high-interest debt like credit cards. It's one of the fastest ways to destroy your financial progress. If you have debt, create a plan to pay it off. Use the snowball or avalanche method. The key is consistency. Financial independence is more about behavior than income. Many high earners are still broke because of poor money management. Budgeting doesn't restrict you, it empowers you. When you tell your money where to go, you stay in control. Think of a budget as a reflection of your values. Where your money goes is where your priorities lie, whether that's growth, survival, or indulgence. Money is a mirror. It reflects your habits, decisions, and emotional patterns. By understanding your money, you learn about yourself. Surround yourself with people who think bigger financially. Conversations shape mindsets. Be around those who encourage financial growth. Success with money rarely happens by accident. It's a result of clear intention, repeated good decisions, and long-term focus. Delaying gratification is a superpower. The wealthy understand that waiting for a better reward later beats a quick win today. Bonuses, tax refunds, and windfalls are opportunities, not permission slips to spend. Use them to fuel your goals, not short-term pleasures. Automating your money helps build discipline without effort. Set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. If you don't have a plan for your money, someone else will use it for their gain. Take control before life does it for you. Don't count on willpower. Design your financial environment, separate accounts, auto deposits, visual goals to support your success. The economy is unpredictable, but you don't need to predict the future. You need to prepare for it with smart financial habits. Financial education is ongoing. Read books, follow experts, and engage with content that helps sharpen your financial IQ. Learn to think in decades, not days. Compound growth rewards those who stay consistent even when results aren't immediately visible. Wealth isn't about having the most. It's about needing less while creating more. Simplicity and focus often lead to greater abundance. Lifestyle creep is subtle. A small raise turns into a bigger car, then a new phone, then a nicer trip. Be vigilant or wealth will slip. Ask yourself often, is this purchase helping me build the life I want, or is it just a distraction from discomfort? Your financial freedom number, the amount of passive income you need to cover all your expenses, should guide your long-term strategy. Make decisions from your future self's perspective. What would the financially free version of you do in this moment? Celebrate each milestone, but don't stop there. Let each achievement fuel your hunger for the next level of growth. Track progress monthly. Financial growth is gradual. Seeing improvement, even in small increments, keeps you motivated. Budget in joy. Build a spending plan that includes fun. Deprivation leads to burnout, and money is meant to serve your life. Every dollar you save or invest is a worker. It either rests or goes out and earns for you. Don't leave your army idle. Visualize your financial goals daily. See the home, the freedom, the peace. Clarity creates action, and action creates results. Many people spend decades working for money and never spend a single year making money work for them. Reverse that equation. True financial confidence comes from control. Knowing where your money is going brings peace more than any income level can. The most valuable thing you can buy with money is time. Buy back your time so you can live, build, and enjoy life. Side hustles give you more than money. They give you confidence, options, and lessons you can't learn at a 9-to-5. There's no shortage of money in the world. There's a shortage of people willing to learn how it flows and how to redirect it. Money has rules. Learn them and use them. Ignoring the rules doesn't protect you. It just keeps you stuck. Understand opportunity cost. Every dollar spent on one thing is a dollar not spent or invested on something else. Choose wisely. The sooner you invest, the less you need to invest later. Time does the heavy lifting. Start early and let compounding do its job. Compounding is interest earning interest. Over time, small, steady contributions grow into large amounts. It's financial magic. Stop chasing trends. Meme stocks, crypto fads, or hype don't replace proven strategies. Stick to fundamentals that work. Index funds are beginner-friendly, low-cost, and historically reliable. They let you invest in the market without picking winners. Diversify your investments. Never put all your money into one place. Spread risk across assets to stay protected. Your bank account balance is not your net worth. True wealth includes assets, investments, and equity, not just savings. Be cautious of lifestyle influencers. What you see isn't always real. Focus on real results, not filtered fantasies. Fear of missing out leads to bad decisions. Stick to your strategy. Wealth is built from consistency, not hype. You don't need to start big. Starting is more important than starting perfectly. Begin where you are, with what you have. Learn basic accounting terms. Understand income, expenses, profit, and loss. These basics help you manage both life and business. Your money mindset impacts every area of your life, from relationships to stress levels. A healthy mindset brings clarity. Be open to evolving. The financial strategies that got you here may not take you to the next level. Always be adapting. Don't hoard money out of fear. Grow it with intention. Safety is good, but growth is necessary. Money is emotional, but decisions should be logical. Learn to separate feelings from finances when making big choices. Your financial habits create your financial identity. Who you are with money is shaped by what you consistently do. Identify your financial triggers. Do you spend when bored? Shop to feel good? Knowing your patterns gives you power. Minimalism can amplify wealth. Owning less can free up resources to invest in what truly matters. Focus on financial wellness, not just wealth. Freedom, peace of mind, and security are priceless rewards of smart money management. Every financial decision is a vote for the person you're becoming. Choose based on your vision, not your impulses. You won't always feel motivated. That's okay. Systems, habits, and automation are what carry you through the low-energy days. Keep learning about taxes. What you keep matters more than what you earn. Smart tax planning saves you thousands over time. Don't be afraid to ask questions. No one is born financially savvy. Learning is a journey, not a talent. Financial intelligence is your greatest security. It protects you in uncertain times and positions you for opportunity. Wealth is a skill set, not a personality trait. Anyone can learn it. It's about what you do consistently, not who you are. Spend intentionally. Ask yourself, is this moving me closer to freedom or further away? That simple filter works wonders. Start tracking your time like you track your money. Time is the one resource you can't earn back, so spend it with care. Buy assets that create cash flow. It could be real estate, digital products, or dividend stocks. Build income streams that last. Debt can be strategic or destructive. Use it to invest, not impress. Borrow only when the returns outweigh the cost. Prepare for financial winter. Save during the good times so you can thrive during the tough ones. Resilience is built in advance. Confidence with money comes from competence. The more you learn and apply, the more empowered you feel in every decision. Understand your retirement plan. Know how much you'll need, what you're contributing, and where it's invested. Consistency beats intensity. It's not about going hard once, it's about showing up for your finances month after month. Make your money values clear. Do you value freedom, security, generosity, or legacy? Let those values guide your plan. Don't just set goals. Create systems to reach them. Goals give you direction, but systems keep you moving forward. Money reveals character. What you do with a little is a preview of what you'll do with a lot. Practice being trustworthy now. You don't need to be the smartest. You need to be the most consistent. Wealth is a reward for those who keep showing up. Avoid comparison. Everyone's timeline is different. Stay focused on your path and commit to progress, not perfection. Emergency funds are boring until you need one. They protect your investments and prevent financial panic in tough times. Create multiple income streams. One job can vanish overnight. Having options keeps you secure and empowers your choices. Use windfalls wisely. Big bonuses, tax refunds, or inheritances can supercharge your goals or disappear without a plan. Track your net worth quarterly. Watching your assets grow and your debt shrink keeps you aligned and motivated. Don't just aim for financial independence, aim for financial abundance. Dream bigger than survival. Dream of legacy. Audit your subscriptions. 10 small charges monthly can eat into your budget without adding much value. When you raise your income, raise your investments, not just your lifestyle. Grow your wealth before growing your image. Take courses, hire coaches, and buy books. Investing in knowledge delivers lifelong returns far beyond the stock market. Schedule weekly money check-ins. Track spending, plan the week ahead, and review progress. Make it a regular rhythm. Choose simplicity. Complicated financial systems often lead to confusion and inconsistency. Keep it clear and effective. Every dollar should have intention. Don't let money sit without a purpose. Give each dollar a job that aligns with your goals. Learn how interest works, both simple and compound. It can be your best friend or worst enemy depending on how you use it. Debt can buy assets or buy liabilities. One builds wealth, the other builds stress. Always know the difference. Stay curious. If something doesn't make sense, like fees, returns, or financial terms, look it up. Curiosity compounds too. Know your spending triggers. Awareness helps you pause, reflect, and redirect money toward what really matters. Don't confuse cheap with smart. Saving money at the cost of value can be more expensive in the long run. Be patient. Financial freedom is built with time, not speed. The longer you stay in the game, the better your chances. Celebrate frugality. Living below your means isn't lack, it's leverage. It frees up resources to invest in your future. Cut out toxic money habits. Impulse buys, ignoring debt, or "I'll start later" thinking. Replace them with purpose. Don't just budget expenses. Budget for generosity, fun, and growth. That's how you build a financial life you enjoy. Teach what you learn. Explaining financial concepts to others deepens your own understanding and spreads empowerment. Create a financial vision board. Visual tools boost motivation and keep your goals emotionally charged. Forgive past mistakes. Everyone messes up with money at some point. What matters is what you do next. If you want to be wealthy, study the wealthy. Read biographies, analyze habits, and observe how they think and act. Small leaks sink big ships. Watch for consistent small spending that adds up. Plug the leaks to protect your goals. Money should be a servant, not a master. Use it intentionally to build the life you want, not the life others expect. Don't chase status. Financial freedom feels better than looking rich. Choose fulfillment over flexing. Shift from "I can't afford this" to "How can I afford this?" That mindset opens doors and invites creativity. Budget for fun. Deprivation creates burnout. Balance discipline with joy to stay motivated long term. Be ruthless with expenses that don't add value. Cut them fast. Then redirect that money toward wealth building. Time in the market beats timing the market. Start investing early and stay in long term. That's how real wealth is built. Avoid lifestyle bloat. Instead of leveling up your spending, level up your saving and investing. Have clear financial goals: short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Knowing the timeline helps with strategy. You can't master money overnight, but you can start mastering your next dollar. Begin where you are. Wealth isn't the destination, it's the vehicle to impact, freedom, and fulfillment. Learn to drive it well. Build habits that outlast motivation. It's your systems that protect progress when you don't feel like showing up. Own your financial story. The past may have shaped you, but it doesn't define where you're headed. Your wealth journey is like compound interest. It builds slowly, then suddenly. Stay in the game and trust the math. Even if you feel behind, starting now puts you ahead of most. Time will do the rest if you stay consistent. There's a version of you out there with financial peace, options, and security. Everything you do today brings you closer. Subscribe so you can learn how to change your mindset and your money to build wealth.